What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The video clips you are going to see are very old. They're from, I believe, March 5th or something like that. This is my cousin's truck. This is not my truck. I did not buy a new truck. I only have mine. So he doesn't want to make a YouTube channel, so I'm just going to post these videos on my channel. I didn't want to because, you know, it's not my truck. And if it does gain subscribers, I don't want to act like it's mine or something. But a little disclaimer before the video even starts. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Catch y'all next time. Peace. You have to record for YouTube, brother. For your channel. We're picking up this 1988 Mamalona.
We got test drive it.
It's a GMC. Oh, it's a Chevy.
It's Chevy.
A lo mejor vas a sentir duro el freno por lo mismo de que es de aire. Vas a sentir duro, pero
quiere pulgar, ¿no?
Cuando le pises, cuidado porque si tiene huevos la neta de esta troca, ¿eh?
Okay, está bien. Alright, let's see.
Let's test drive it.
Alright.
What is that?
I'm just checking the gears. Make sure the transmission is good.
Alright, test drive it. 4-wheel drive.
She's lifted, bro. It's a monster truck.
Don Luis right there.
He said it got balls. Let's see if it's true.
Oh, what's the gas?
Man, this sounds nice, huh?
It does. Damn, I didn't want to drop it.
This tries really nice. Like right off the brake is hard. Oh shit.
What does that mean? Like it's like
It's
a
stiff.
sensitive? Oh.
No, it's not sensitive. Like look, you have to press it hard.
Oh.
We should check that when we get home.
Yeah.
Bro, no plates though. It's crazy.
Is this the one?
I don't know what the fuck we're going, dude.
Just turn around.
Oh, perfect. There's a gas right here.
Can't run too. That's what
Alright, we're just gonna go around the block, I guess. I hope there's no cops, dude. What is this though? What the
Not yet, what is it?
ashtray? I don't even know, bro. Man, dude, that feels so high up.
It's a monster truck, bro. It's like the white truck. It's like the Ram.
But the fuck, shit feels like, just because it's so skinny, bro, it feels fucking weird. Does that window work?
Yeah. Does the radio work? I want to check. There's only one? I think it's only this one.
You should get the fucking speakers I got too.
About to edit this.
It works. It works.
Oh shit! It's falling apart.
But it drives nice. It drives nice.
It does nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing's hella loud. It's actually loud.
Oh shit.
That V8, bruh. 4,500. You think it's good?
Dude, I think it's good, bro. 45.
I mean, we're not gonna get anyone that's like cheaper.
Nah, bro. You can sell this shit for
this good.
6K, bro. Take these ugly ass wheels, but we're not selling it. But you know, just saying.
Yeah.
We're
The
just
seats, bruh.
too. Well, bro, we gotta change this.
Yeah, these look old, bruh. They look hella old. That's nice though. It's pretty clean. I would
It's clean as
say.
fuck, bro. Look, no cracks on the dash. Well, little, bro.
You can put it back though. It just fell off.
Would you keep it this color, or
Like
you want to go
brown?
red or blue? Or
I don't know. I'm gonna see. It's not bad though. It's not. I like the color. With the brown outside.
Yeah, it matches. How the fuck do we get to his house?
Did I cut the video?
Yeah, cut it. Sheesh. I think that's how my tires are gonna stick out too. Yeah. I don't really like it, but that's how it's gonna sit. Like it looks like aggressive. I fuck with this, dude. This I always fuck with.
That's tough. Oh, sheesh.
¿Es roja la adentro? ¿Qué color es?
No, es verde.
Oh, es...
Sí, esto es verde, nomás que esta es estándar.
Ya la mía es estándar, también no me gusta. Man, this is mean, bro. Sheesh. ¿Trae sonido esta o no?
Esto sí.
¿Sí? Damn. How you feeling? Damn, this dude flexing money. This is all he got left too. Some dollar bills. Man, what do you think about it in the daylight? Sheesh. It's nice.
The two-tone is nice.
Oh shit, the windshield is cracked. Yeah. I didn't even see this. Yeah, it's cheap. Isn't she spray paint? Damn. Alright. Nah. Are you gonna pay inside? Yeah. I'm gonna just show him a little bit in the inside. Huh? Put 50. If you don't waste all of it, yeah. Alright, this is the inside, y'all. It's an auto V8. 192,000 miles. Shit, we should have checked if the cluster fucking works. Holy shit. I didn't check. Oh shit. But yeah, this is the interior. Not too bad. Some ugly ass seats. We gotta replace them. But damn, we didn't even see the fucking windshield was cracked either. One speaker only. Nah, it's got two. But yeah. It's a 4x4, but we're gonna drop this shit on its nuts, bruh.
Yeah, Dave's hot chicken, Thai noodle.
Honestly, I really don't care. I haven't ate.
So what?
All I ate, dude, all day, all I ate was fucking eggs. All I ate was eggs, bro. Since I woke up, I was like, I woke up late as fuck too.
It says it's 800 feet away. The Thai blue. The closest spot.
Anywhere, bro. I don't care. Let me know.
It's gonna.
Hasta mecánico eso, ¿verdad? We just installed these taillights. We didn't record. I'm just recording for this dude because he does not want to listen and start a YouTube channel. So I'll just be recording what he does to the truck. These are the old taillights. I have these on my truck too. These are probably the best ones. But there's hollow rust, so that's what we're fixing right now. Trying to put some spray paint. We painted the whole dash. Where's the seats at? Over there? Huh? Your seats. Oh, in your room? I'm gonna go look at it. These are red seats. Oh, you guys could actually see. Red low back bucket seats. Not bucket seats, bench seat. The whole interior was tan or brown, I believe. He spray painted everything black. He's gonna spray paint the seats black. It's crazy, I know. These go for crazy amount of money, but he wants them black. We also got the black carpet. No, red carpet. He's gonna spray it black. But yeah, this is all the shit he has done. This dude's like 16, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna try to make him record when I'm not here, so he could be posting on YouTube. Here's the dash. Fully spray painted black. Door panels are also spray painted black. He's gonna paint the whole truck. Just, you know, he's 16, so you gotta save up for that. Paint jobs are expensive as fuck. So I'll just record when we start putting everything back together. Floor's all done. We're about to clean it and put some sound deadening on it.
Por este lado. Ay, mío. Shit. My bad. Oh, never mind. The clips are up here. I was like, fuck, where the hose at? Alright, let's start with the roof. We'll start from like here to maximum right here. Okay. Because what the fuck goes here? I forgot. Because it only gets all done by the trims. Yeah. And then a sticky thing here. Alright, we're done with this. We did the best we could. Came out pretty good. He's painting the carpet over here. I'm all done. Huh? I'm all done. You done? Yeah. Yeah, I wonder how I'm gonna tell him I'm gonna charge him $1,000 just for this.
We installed the dash and the carpet off camera. Now all he has to do is put back all the trims in the truck. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video on the finished result.